Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer's 27-inch Full HD LCD. So friend, Acer introduced KB272 Abmiix, a 27-inch Full HD liquid crystal display with non-glossy VA screen. And friend, the display synchronization technology is compatible with AMD FreeSync Premium. And friend, it has a frameless design that does not affect the seams even when utilizing multiple displays. It also has the Acer Display Widget capability that provides display mode settings, split setting for effective screen utilization, and user-specific mode settings. And friend, the key features are as follows: response time 1 millisecond, refresh rate 75 Hz, contrast ratio 3000 gem 1, brightness of 250 cadmium per meter square, color reproducibility NTSC 72%, display color 16.7 million colors, viewing angle horizontal or vertical is 178 degree, and the interface comprises HDMI 1.4 into 2, D sub into 1, 3.5 stereo input micro jack into 1, headphone terminal into 1, and built-in 2W into 2 stereo speaker. And friend, the eye care function includes flickerless and blue light shield, and the external measurements are width of 614.7 mm, depth of 200 mm, height of 457.1 mm, and it weighs of approximately 4.4 kg. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.